Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool, place value chart, working with place value relationships with a problem related to TEKS 4.2G, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a mixed number, 15 and 700ths is how you would say that out loud. We need to build that with these three different blanks here. And if you know how to say it like I just read it out loud, that will basically give you the answer. But just to show you what I'm talking about, let's go ahead and use a place value chart. We only need 4 spots, 2 whole number, 2 decimal. All right, so let's build this. So that's going to be my ones place. And I want to build it both as a decimal and as a fraction when we get into the decimals. So I'm going to write this as 0.1. I'm also going to write that as 1 over 10. And that is my tenths place, because that's kind of our key learning that we have in 4th grade, is that 1 over 10 is the same as 0.1, and that 1 over 100 is the same as 0.01. Those are the hundredths. All right, so I'm going to take my number 15.07. I can use this decimal place as kind of my guide. I'm going to build my 15 to the left of the decimal place, and I'm going to build my 7 to the right of the decimal place. Now, I need to make sure I don't just put 7. If I just put this right here as a 7, I have now changed the number. And so that 0.7 is going to be extremely important. And so let's make sure that we don't just put a 7, because that would be 15 and 7 tenths. I need 15.07, which is going to give me 7 hundredths. Now, what we want to do is we want to build that as a mixed number. So if this were like a star question, we would have 3 different drop downs, and we color coded them here. So the red goes with the red, blue with blue, green with green. Okay. So as a mixed number, how would I write 15.07? Well, this right here, this 15, is going to translate right into this big number right here. And then this 07 is going to kind of be represented by both top and bottom of the fraction, the numerator and the denominator. So the easiest thing is going to be the 15, right? So we can put that right here. And we can say, all right, so I've got 15 whole numbers. It's 15 ones. That's the easy part. Now we need to look at the fraction. Okay, so what do I have here? I've got a 7, and it's in the hundredths place. So what you could do is, if you want to, right, you can go ahead and you can just think of this as 0.7. I'm going to just draw a line here over. You're always looking at the final position. Yes, there is a 0 in the tenths and a 7 in the hundredths, but where's the last digit? The last digit's in the hundredths place. So I'm just going to kind of draw all over my place value chart and say the 0.15.07 is going to be like 0.7 over 100. Now, the only change I would make is that we don't really say 0.7 over 100. We don't need a leading 0. So we would just kind of drop that, and we would just turn it into 7 hundredths. But that's what the 0.07, right? If we were just going to look at it as just a decimal without the 15, that 0.07 is 7 in the hundredths place, which means for my blue, I'm going to need my 7, right? That's going to be my numerator. And then for my denominator, I need to make sure that I'm picking not the tenths, but the hundredths. That is my denominator. So I can say 15.07 is the same as 15 and 7 hundredths. And you would actually read them both the exact same way, 15 and 7 hundredths.